Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Powell County in east central Kentucky, southeastern Montgomery County in east central Kentucky, northwestern Montgomery County in east central County in east central
Montgomery County in east central Kentucky, northern Estill County in east central Kentucky, Menifee County in east central Kentucky.
Daylight time. A severe thunderstorm is located over Harris Ferry, 10 miles northeast of Richmond, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
So what you're looking at,
Nope. This is a indicated threat.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cressy around 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Spout Springs around 2:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stanton around 2:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northman around 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Little and campsite in the Indian Creek area of the Daniel National Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle.
Double header! Double header! Double header! Oh my god! Double header! Double header! Double header! Double header! Double header! Oh my god! Double header! Double header! Double header! Double header!
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern
original chicken sandwich, fish sandwich, or night.
Double header!
Kentucky
Yes!
3 p.m.
Yes! Double header! Let's go, baby!
Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near
Holy
Harris
crap!
Ferry, moving east
An hour,
at 35
5 miles per hour.
Expected hazards include 60 miles.
Please tell me this was a triple header. Oh my god!
This is a radar-indicated threat.
Yo!
The following impacts are
Area forecast discussion, but still, I got a triple header. I got a double header. Look at this.
This severe thunderstorm was seen over mainly rural areas of southeastern Clark and northeastern Madison counties, including the following locations: Goff's Corner, Right Angle,
Dude, my heart's pounding after that.
Nina, Agawam, Rutgerville, Hunt, and Blandy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh my god, I just got a double header.
Following
I got a double header. Let's go!